Hello guys, so Fearless Puja is back and today we will see the formation of the root, that is radical, and shoot, that is nothing but the plumule. Okay, so let's see what I have taken. I have taken moong, so you can see that clearly, right? Okay, so these I have taken. Next I have taken fenugreek seeds. Okay, in Marathi we call it as methi. So I have taken these as well. Okay. And the next I have taken green peas. In Marathi we call it as a watana. Okay, so I have taken watana, green pea, fenugreek seeds, and moong. And the next which I have taken is nothing but a beaker full of water. Okay, what I did, I kept all these three seeds in the water for 12 hours. I kept it overnight, and we will see the results after the overnight period. Okay, so after 12 hours you can see here, so the moongs, okay, the moongs are got swollen means the size of that moong has been increased. We will take one out of it, those who is showing this formation of the root, that is showing some outward growth, and that outward growth is nothing but the root. Okay, so this is how, so see first, as you can see how it was looking at first, and when we kept it overnight into the water, that time it no sure that radical comes out, and radical is nothing but the root. Okay, now we will see for the fenugreek. See here, so as you can see there are so many root formations are there, and the size is also increased. Okay, we will take one out of it. Okay, I will take the bigger one. Okay, so please be careful, should not get break, those are so delicate. Okay, so now we will compare both the size. Okay, so as you can see previously how it was looking, it was so small, and now you can compare the difference between the size, just because it has absorbed the water. Okay, and that got swollen, so there is an increase in the size, and the root is so big, so big. So this is how the roots are getting, they get formed. Okay, and then once you sow it into the soil, it will grow into the plant. Okay, and now here you can see this is nothing but the green peas result after 12 hours. So you can see the shortest one, longest one. So we will see the both the difference between the plumule and radical. Here you can see clearly. Okay, so the bigger part is nothing but the radical, and the smaller part which will show the outward growth of the leaf as well. So you can clearly see with the arrowhead, the pointing arrowhead, I am trying to show it to you guys. See, there is a size difference as well. So previous seeds are next to that formation of the roots and plumule, so there is a increase in the size, as well as if you clearly observe the shorter one, the outward growth which who is shortened, that is showing some leafy structure is coming out. That leafy structure nothing but the leaves will grow from it, and the shorter part is called as a plumule. What is called as a plumule? Okay, and the bigger one is nothing but the radical, it will grow into a root. Okay, so here I am showing with the arrowhead, that is nothing but the radical. Okay, so some hairy structures are also there on it, so that is nothing but the roots will comes out, like this. So this is how we have seen this formation of the root and plumule from the moong, fenugreek, and green peas. Okay, so I will end up my video. Also you can do it at your home. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye, take care.